Welcome to Password Security and Risk. Imagine traveling into the digital universe where every game, device, photo, and account is like a treasure hidden in a secret vault. The key to your vault, it's your password, a special secret scientific code created by you. What is a password? Picture a password as a super secret science code, like the ones used by scientists to unlock mysteries. Only people with the right code can enter. It's a magic word or pattern that protects your world from sneaky invaders. How passwords protect your stuff. Your password locks your games, devices, photos, and accounts in treasure chests. If the code is strong, only you and trusted adults can open it. What makes a password weak? But what if you use a weak code, like your name, your birthday, simple patterns like 1234 or ABC, or even the same code everywhere? That's like using a broken lock on your treasure chest. Hackers are clever, like digital detectives, who use easy tricks to guess these weak codes and grab your treasure. Hacker tricks and password risks. Hackers try common names, birthdays, and popular patterns to break into accounts. Imagine your weak password as a cracked shield or a puzzle with missing pieces. If they solve it, they can take your games, change your photos, or misuse your account. Sharing passwords and danger. Never share your password with friends or strangers. It's like giving away the key to your secret vault. Only your parents should know your password to keep you safe. How to make a strong password. Now let's build a super strong code. Use a long password with different letters, numbers, and symbols. Mix them up so it's like a complicated scientific formula, hard for hackers to solve. For example, moonjump82 instead of birthday23. Change passwords often. Imagine even strong locks getting rusty. Change your passwords from time to time to keep them strong and secure. Passwords as shields and locks. Think of your password as a shield or lock. A weak lock can be picked. A strong lock is tough. No one can break it. Think critically when creating passwords. Before using a code, pause and ask, is this secret strong? Would a digital detective guess it? Choose wisely. Type in the way Tanmay is explaining to you. Follow each step exactly to secure your passwords and avoid risk.